Hello and welcome to this quick stretch that's perfect to do before bed. You'll place your hands on your knees and then inhale your shoulders up towards your ears, and as you exhale, let them drop down. Inhale, your shoulders come up towards your ears, and exhale audibly, let your shoulders drop. We'll move on to candle breath. So as you inhale, place your hands on your belly and feel your belly expand on your inhale. And as you exhale, you'll do so through pursed lips as though you're blowing out a candle very slowly. You'll feel your belly retract, and you'll keep blowing until you feel you have no air left. And you'll repeat this breath, inhaling, letting your belly expand with air. Exhaling, almost like a balloon, slowly losing air. A balloon with a leak. Now you'll place your hands onto your knees and inhale, draw your chest forward through your arms, look up towards the sky, around your back, and continue with this rocking motion, inhaling forward and exhaling back. The next time you inhale your chest forward, you'll start to move around in a circle. It's a Sufi grind. So you're coming to the side, forward, side, and back, really exaggerating through the torso. You can close your eyes and really feel into the shape. Don't worry about what you look like. Let your breath carry you. Can kind of let your head follow where the rest of your body goes. And you'll reverse. Take the circling in the opposite direction, moving just as slowly and mindfully. As you inhale, you'll come up through center and you'll make a hang loose symbol with your hands, plugging up the right nostril, exhaling for a count of 3. You'll retain, so cover your left nostril, both are closed, retain for 1, 2, 3. Inhale through the left for a count of 2, 1, 2. Retain for a count of 3. And release through the right, exhaling for a count of 3. Retain, plug both nostrils for 3. Inhale through the right for 1, 2. Retain for 1, 2, 3. Exhale through the left for 1, 2, 3. So the inhales are for 2, the retaining is for 3, and the exhaling is for 3. So you can continue at your own pace. And on your last exhale, release your hands down. Your right arm will come up to arc over your head. Left forearm is on the ground. You can look up towards your right arm and bring your right hand down, and your left arm will arc over your body, looking up towards that left arm. And bring yourself back up through center, and we'll take a twist. So right hand goes towards the left knee as you look over your left shoulder, keeping your spine straight. Taking some deep breaths. You'll come back through center. Left hand goes to your right knee. Right hand comes behind you. Look over your right shoulder and breathe. And coming back through center, you'll take your right arm across your chest and you'll take your right ear down towards the right shoulder. Breathing into the left side of your neck. And bring your head back up through center. Open your arms like you're about to give somebody a big hug. And then take the left arm across your chest. Your head drops down towards your left shoulder. Breathing into the right side of your neck. Focusing on your exhale. Bring your head back up through center. Take your right arm straight out in front of you. Gently pull your fingers back towards your body. And we'll reverse. Take the opposite hand straight out in front of you. Gently pull your fingers back towards your body, breathing into the sensations you feel on the inside of your arm. And start to circle out your wrists. You can bring a little playfulness into this and reverse the direction, just feeling into the wrists. And you'll take your legs out in front of you, long. Your arms can go up overhead, and with a flat back, you'll reach down towards your toes. If you can grab onto your toes, you can do so, but if not, that's fine. Just let your fingertips land on your shins or wherever is comfortable. Breathe into the back side of your body. And roll yourself back up to a seated position. Center yourself in your mat. And we'll come into a figure 4 stretch. So your right leg is going to cross over your left. So your ankle is going to be where your left knee is. We're forming a figure 4. And your hands can go behind your thigh. So it's kind of a moment of do as I say and not as I do. Hands go on the thigh and not the knee. And your right leg stretches up and you reverse. So figure 4 on the opposite side. Hands go behind the right thigh now. You can take a gentle rock from side to side. Your left elbow is gently pushing the left thigh away. You'll straighten the right leg, reaching the opposite leg long on the mat. You can bring your head up towards your knee for a moment, and then gently you can lower your head down and start to point and flex your toes and roll out the ankle in whichever direction and reverse. Now we'll take the opposite leg, the right leg up, and you'll point and flex, point and flex, and roll the ankle out in one direction and then the other. And you can lift your face towards your knee and then lower your head back down. Bring your forehead towards your knees, coming into a ball shape. And then soles of your feet come to touch. Knees are out wide, coming into a Supta Baddha Konasana pose with your arms in a goalpost shape. Palms facing up, coming into a pose of surrender. Take some deep breaths in. Really feel your belly fill with air. And as you exhale, let it all go as you melt into the earth. You can straighten your legs out into coming into Shavasana. And the video will go on for a couple more seconds. I hope that you drift into a beautiful sleep tonight and that you get the rest that you need. I'll see you next time.